Folks, it is comfortable out there tonight. Temperatures in the 70s valley-wide. It's not so humid. These are the current readings. 78 in Port Isabel, 74 in Harlingen tonight, 79 in McAllen right now. And we throw the dew points on the map, and they are down there around 60 to 61. It's kind of the average across the valley. That's way more comfortable than what it's been, holding right there in the very bottom of that muggy range. Typically, we've been up in the mid-70s for the last 3-4 months, something like that. So we're actually much more comfortable than what it's been, even though we're still technically considered kind of muggy. It's awfully nice out there tonight. Down in the south, we still have Hurricane Katia, and you can see Katia staying in that circle, not moving out of the circle at all. Getting a little better organized, starting to see an eye develop down there, but it's going to stay well to the south. The issue for us is the big high that's been pushing all the moisture southward retreats a little bit tomorrow, and that'll allow the northern fringe of this moisture to sneak into parts of the valley. We'll look at that in a minute. In the meantime, here's a scoop on Katia, 21.5 and 95.1. Winds are up to 85 as it now beginning to move westward at about 3. Winds may top 100 tomorrow before it goes inland in Mexico down to the south and falls apart over the mountains, and there will be big time rain down around Mexico City. Farther to the east, we have the big one, Hurricane Irma, and this really is the big one in every sense of the word, not only in terms of size, but in terms of strength, the eye, everything about this. Very impressive tonight. Here's Florida up here, and these folks, really everybody in this picture, very, very concerned, as they should be, as this major hurricane with winds of 165 miles per hour, still a Cat 5, moves off to the west-northwest at about 16 miles an hour. Hispaniola here, Cuba here. Again, there's Florida up at the top of the picture. And here it comes. This is tomorrow night, still a Category 5 hurricane. Then it begins to make the turn. By the time we get to Saturday, and boy, the models still take it right up the center of Florida, which means that right side, the worst part, right over Miami Beach up to West Palm Beach, and just the entire area in the southeast Florida coastline, a mess. Key West might be on the good side if it follows that path. And eventually it stays over land now, according to this, so it begins to fall apart and just be a big rainstorm in the southeastern part of the country. But boy, there's a lot to be determined yet with that. Everybody in the southeast watching incredibly carefully. Showers possible tomorrow, especially closer to the coast, but I think anybody could pick up a brief shower, but the best chance will be coastal counties because of that moisture surging back northward. But Saturday, it gets suppressed back to the south again. The lower humidity builds back in again, and for Sunday, looks like we'll see plenty of sunshine again, and the chance of rain will disappear as quickly as it shows up. So 50% tomorrow, drops to 30 on Saturday morning, and then by Sunday, it's gone. And really, I think Saturday afternoon, the sun will come back out. As the sun comes out, temperatures warm back up, 84 tomorrow, but 89 Saturday and 91 on Sunday, and that upward trend will continue all the way into next week. At the coast, UV index is very high. Rip current risk is moderate. Northeasterly winds pretty much all day long. The surf temperature at 82 degrees right now. Evening temperature is about 80. Surf may run up to the dunes the next couple of days because of what's going on out in the Gulf of Mexico with Katia down to the south. So clear skies, not all that humid tonight. 68 for a low, and then tomorrow back to 84 with a shower or thunderstorm possible. Best chances close to the coast, but something could sneak farther inland before the day is over with. Here you go. Temperatures begin rising after tomorrow. Look at this. Next week by Wednesday, Thursday, back to 99. The good thing is, look at the nighttime lows. Upper 60s. Pretty comfortable, but pretty hot each day of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast, Joel.